Hello. So today I'll be packing orders where I order. Come with me to pack these orders. I will be showing y'all right here and then showing y'all what I got right here too. So yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when me, post another video. Oh yeah, don't forget to comment down below. So in this order I have these small mini flyers, which is these right here. And I have 50 of them in one stack. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in here so that it can be sealed and secured. And we're going to close them on up. So it'll look like this. Then I have another one, some more. And I'm going to put it in there the same way I did the other ones. Hate one of these things, I can't stand it. So we have two of them, which is 50 and 50 is what? 100. Then we're going to go on in with freebie, which is bracelets. How we're going to do it with the freebie. Make sure it's on there right and tight, and just make sure that it looks right. There. And we're going to put it in this bag also. Then we're going to write on the thing, freebie, on my sticker. So this is my sticker right here. And I'm going to go on ahead. And where's my pen? My pen somewhere. I just use this pen. We're going to write free gift on it. Just like that. So yeah, I'm going to take it and take it off of here and put it right here so that you know that it is a free gift. And then I'm going to take these and put it on here. And then we're going to do the other one like that too. I was seeing how I should do it, but that's how we're going to do it, just like that. So it's on here and it's on here. Then we're going to go ahead and do the free stickers. Gotta make me some more because I don't want them no more. But I'm trying to get them all gone so I can make me some more. Then I'm going to be putting my card in there and a thank you card along with my little mini flyer. Is that it? Oh yeah, I think it is. So what we're going to do is go ahead and use this right here. And we're going to put these. We're gonna use this and put these down in there. Along with through here. Then we're gonna go ahead and put this in there. Put it on in the back. And then we're gonna close this on up. Close it on up like this, and you see. Then we're gonna flip her around. I'm gonna put my sticker on here. Hopefully it don't smear while it's going to her. I have it like this. And then we're gonna put the fragile sticker on there. They wouldn't know. I'm gonna put it on right here. Then I'm gonna turn it around and I'm gonna put it on the back as well. Then we have her shipping label. And I'm gonna put it right here. Nice and pretty. But I'm gonna put another sticker on top of this because yeah, there you go. This is how it looks. And I forgot, so I do have these on my website. If y'all are interested in these, I have Luli, whatever this was, y'all can see. Footballs, this one. I have this, Gucci, and these. If y'all are interested in getting them, they are on my website. So it's all of these. I have more. If you go on the website, you'll see, and then turn around, you will see the deal on there that I got for them. And there's something else that I got a deal on my website. If y'all want to go and check it out, just go ahead and do it. Well, okay, after the Pennzoil, but they finally came. The elephants that I said I wanted to go with these finally came. So we're going to go ahead and open these up. Well, I had to reorder them again because it did me the same way it did me the last time, which was say it was on its way, then said it was late. But anyways, these are the elephants. You got gold and you got silver, along with these. This is gold, silver, bronze. Yeah. And rose gold look like. But these is these. So I'm gonna make about 2 bracelets, so however many that my storage will let me do. And then I will show y'all, like I always do, show y'all close up. Oh yeah, and this is the colors that I'm using. I'm gonna just pick out random colors or just put them on my board right here and start doing them. But I have to see what color would go. I would think gold would go with this. So that's what I think. But yeah, I'm gonna just pull them out like this and just put them around the board. and all that good stuff to see what I come up with. And if I like it, then I'm going to keep it like that. I'm not going to use all the beads that's on here, because I got to put my elephant on there, so I'll be back. Okay, we're going to get right into it. And we're going to go ahead and put the beads on here. Like when it fall off. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and put the beads on here. But y'all see what I'm doing. Be quiet so y'all can look. So what we're going to do now is take the junk rings and we're going to put the elephant on here. Put the elephants on here. Then we're going to hook them to the bracelet that I'm doing. Do that first with these. Then I'm going to go on ahead and then put the other ones on there once I put these on. So it'll be just like how I do it all the time. And then we're going to put the elephant through here. Just like that. Then we're going to do 4 more and then we're going to put the other one on there. I'll be back. Okay, so this is what I got right here. I'm going to fold it on up. Make sure it's in there right and correctly. And we're going to cut them just like this. But I was going to put the chain on it and let it dangle from there. But I decided not to do that this time. So yeah. What it looks like for now. Okay, so we're going to go on ahead and do the the pink. I need my bead needle, because let me see if y'all on. Yeah, y'all on. I'm going to do this with this one. This will be the last one that I do, because I know my storage is not where it's going to be. And, so we're going to put, this is what I did. I'm going to put that on there. And then do some more of these. But I'll be back with the final results of what the bracelet's going to look like. So I'm done with this one. I don't have no more of, like I told y'all before, I don't have no more, at least I don't see it, of these things right here for the gold. So that's why the elephants on there is small like that. If I knew that, I wouldn't did that one. But everything is from Amazon. So what I'm gonna do now is cut this, and this is what it looks like. So you have the gold and the silver. But this is the end of my video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, liked it, and all that good stuff. But make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when me, post another video. Oh yeah, don't forget to comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye.